Hey guys, what is up? It's Dusty here and welcome back to another crypto video. And guys, we just made another successful XRP trade. Just wanted to quickly notify you guys off of our call from earlier today. Little nice pump. I know it's some small percentages guys, but that is why I trade with leverage, because 2% like this is still 20% profit on whatever money we put in. And the strategy was, let's focus our efforts on the $1 2.5-ish support and just buy the bounce with a stop loss pretty tight below $1. And every single time it worked, and here I called it out earlier today, worked again, really freaking nice. Having said that, Bybit, woo! All right, make sure you check out Bybit because there's some crazy deposit bonuses. And also right now there's a really cool giveaway. But did you guys check out my video earlier today? Did you guys check out the live stream from Pintu? Yeah. Interesting, huh? Well, there's going to be more of that stuff. Going to be some that will do way better, some that might do worse, but make sure you're subscribed to the channel for every single one of these cryptos that is launching soon, as I'm giving you guys all the opportunities to get into these cryptos as early as humanly possible. Having said that, here, I want to cover some crypto news today. We have a ton of interesting stuff to cover. So if you guys are down for that, make sure you press the like button and subscribe to the channel for more. And I have a question for you all. I just read this article. Most Indians don't want crypto legalized, have low or zero trust. And I do wonder, do you honestly believe that crypto is the future? Yes or no? When I sometimes talk to some hodlers, they say, I want to make money with crypto to cash out. And I always think, what do you want to cash out to? What is your ultimate goal then if crypto is not it? Because I don't think I've ever cashed out crypto to fiat. I just either do it to stablecoin to buy some more crypto for the short term, which I consider trading. But basically crypto is my main thing. Let me know what you guys think about that in the comment section. I think this might be biased, but I'm also not too aware. I don't want to trust the survey here though, as it's obviously a little bit of an interesting sample. So let's kind of skip that, but it did bring me to a couple of questions. All right, so what just happened? Coinbase acquired the Bird wallet or Bread wallet, BRD wallet. Hints at upcoming Web3 integrations. Crypto exchange and blockchain services firm Coinbase has acquired the BRD wallet, a free and open source crypto wallet platform. And you know what happened, guys? Just about a second after they bought it and it was announced, boom. Bread went up about 700% throughout the day. Yeah, it was at about 70, I guess 10 cents, 15 cents or so for the longest time. All of a sudden it skyrocketed to about $1.40. Right now it's come back down just a little bit to about $1.12, but oh boy, did that just go crazy. And that's the power of Coinbase, everybody. That is the power of Coinbase. According to Coinbase, its acquisition of BRD will bring deep expertise in self-custody for crypto wallets, adding that the move also aligns with its current goal of expanding its reach and viability for investments in self-custody and Web3. Notably, BRD's team will be working on an already existing product and that this product already has similar features implemented. So most likely a little bit of a collaboration right there, but it's doing basically in preparation for Coinbase wallet by 2022, at least to kind of broaden that out, this Bread wallet. All right, then the Republic of Palau, right, partners with Ripple to develop the country's first national digital currency. Very nice. The world's first national digital coin could come to the decentralized public blockchain, XRPL, in 2022. Ripple is a technology that works as the cryptocurrency XRP and a digital payment network for financial transactions. The company announced a partnership with Micronesia's region, Palau, in the Western Pacific Ocean. The partnership will focus on developing strategies for cross-border payments and crypto adoption, and Ripple plans to provide Palau with full support on implementing the government-backed stablecoin. Quote, the first phase of the partnership will focus on a cross-border payment strategy and exploring options to create a national digital currency, providing the citizens of Palau with greater financial access, said the president of Palau's Sir Angel Whips Jr. According to Ripple, the company is the leader in energy-efficient transactions and is experienced in blockchain technology and global payment systems. The XP Ledger provides an open-source foundation to produce the most challenging project without posing threats to the environment, and we have a wonderful opportunity to bring together our technology and expertise with the unique characteristics of Palau to make a real economic and social impact for the country. Now, James Wallace, the vice president of Ripple, stated that part. So why should we care? Why is that in there? Not exactly sure what that is in there for. But I see two positive things. First of all, they're literally talking here already about broadening out for the cross-border payments, which is of course one of Ripple's services, but one of them specifically targets XRP. I mean, if we're talking ODL, on-demand liquidity, for these cross-border payment transfers, it could be that this is going to be a very, very nice partnership that we just got ourselves into. But from a different perspective also, if Ripple just helps them work out the CBDC as a standard and just a cross-border payment, eventually they'll most likely adapt this XRP standard anyway. As we've covered before, I think most platforms will allow it or adapt it, as it's just juicy stuff. They usually need to get acquainted with it after a little while. They usually will go the step further, I think. Now, Council of European Union moves forward on 2 crypto proposals. The Council of the European Union adopted 2 proposals for digital assets on Wednesday, aiming to create regulatory frameworks for crypto assets focused on consumer protection and mitigating cyber threats. Both the regulation on markets and crypto assets and the Digital Operation Resilience Act are part of the Council's digital finance package. And the package also contains the Council's overall strategy related to crypto asset regulation and a proposal on DLT. The intention is to create unified rules of the road of crypto in the EU to foster innovation with investor protection throughout member states, rather than allowing a fragmented approach to form in which standards differ from nation to nation. A dedicated and harmonized framework is therefore necessary at union level to provide specific rules for crypto assets and related activities and services and to clarify the applicable legal framework. Read the proposal in the package. Such harmonized framework should also cover services related to crypto assets where these services are not yet covered by union legislation or financial services. So, long story short, things are pulling through in the European Union for crypto. So, I mean, we're making steps, not big footsteps, but I mean some teeny weeny mouse steps. So it's good. I guess it's good. Then regarding the Metaverse, guys, I've been so bullish on this. I've been screaming it on my channel. You guys have most likely gotten almost sick of me and how much I talk about Metaverse, but that's because I look out for you all. As I said before, nothing I said in these videos is financial advice, but I am a really big fan of Metaverse coins. I mean, it's just, I don't know, kind of logical to me. So the Metaverse is a $1 trillion opportunity after users increased 10 times by Grayscale. According to a new report from Grayscale, the rate of active Metaverse users increased by 10 times between the start of 2020 and June 2021. And I do believe, once more, guys, that we can 10x our portfolio easily within 1 year with Metaverse crypto. I'm just going to be completely honest with you. Anybody starting out with $100,000 right now, it's a crazy amount, but you will become a millionaire in 1 year. I don't think it's going to be too hard, unless the crypto market completely shuts down. But generally speaking here, XRP is almost a guaranteed opportunity, but there's quite a lot of them, which are nearly guaranteed if you start thinking about it. All right, having said that, Bitcoin outlook of 2022. Crypto bulls should be thankful for any sell-off. Yeah, I mean, if you think about it, any sell-off that you get in this regard is pretty nice. Mostly from the perspective that we can buy in with the ultimate, knowledge that we're going to go up anyway. So with us buying, just I'm kind of thinking about this logically. With us buying in, because of these dips, sorry, there's, by the way, somebody knocking on the door of my hotel room. I think just housekeeping. So I got a little bit awkward right there because I know they can hear me right now. They're standing outside the door listening to me speak. It's kind of awkward. No, okay. But basically, we're having a really good shot, I guess, of buying altcoins for the cheap, buying Bitcoin for the cheap because things are going down. From a certain perspective, altcoins aren't really going down as much as a lot of these major cryptos like ETH and Bitcoin, which obviously Ethereum is also an altcoin, but you guys get my drift. Then again, a dip is nice because we all believe so much more in crypto right now. So that's basically the baseline. I got distracted, guys, for this article. I got too distracted. Why did people have to knock on my door? Elon Musk encourages Dogecoin holders to leave centralized exchanges. This one I'm pretty happy for all the time because Elon Musk is a pretty funny dude when it comes to crypto. But now one of the things which he's kind of emphasizing is don't just trust your all to an exchange because they can block your withdrawals. They can do this, that. Don't rely on that. And so for crypto adoption as a whole, I'm going to say this is a really net positive thing, and everything that Elon does nowadays, it's not as negative as it used to be, not as manipulative. It's kind of progressive, sort of. And I'm starting to get a little more of a liking to him in the crypto space. Yeah. Then Adidas, they actually had a couple of announcements. One, they're working with Sandbox, the Metaverse project, the crypto one, and they're also working with Coinbase just now. They just announced this on Twitter. We've partnered with Coinbase, probably nothing. And of course, Coinbase being kind of happy with that. Oh boy, it is interesting. Now, Ripple we already covered this one with the Republic of Palau. Brad Collinghouse also stating this: out with the old rails and in with the new. After the Economic Times reported that the panel has recommended that an alternative indigenous financial system be developed on the lines of similar systems such as Ripple, USA, and Instex in the EU. One thing I find kind of odd is how, we're talking about a need for an Indian alternative to SWIFT, yet we're not just talking about Ripple as a base. Like, why would you say, oh, something like Ripple, something like Instex? Does India need to make their own, if you guys get my drift? I mean, I know it's an Indian source, but why why you wouldn't just adopt some of the technology? Why you necessarily want to build your own? I don't know if that's really necessary, but okay. And then Digital Perspective shared, yep, this SEC v Ripple case is also a vetting process to set legal precedent on what will become the new protocol to move value on the internet. Oh, XRP is also a note. Revis test? Note to security. Yeah. Point being, XRP, juicy stuff. I've explained it 1,000 times. I'm extremely bullish on this. I think long term, we're just going to keep getting an upward sloping line. It's just going to continue like that for the next couple of years. And in the meantime, here, the SEC will try to take things down, but you can also see it indeed as a little bit of a test. Some people say it's a show. Some people say it's annoying to Ripple. I'm not sure. All I know is it's process, and at the end of the day, we'll come out victorious, I personally believe. Having said that, guys, if you enjoyed the daily crypto news, make sure you press that like button. If you have any news to share, make sure you just send it to me over on Twitter. I look into everything. And of course, guys, make sure you press that like button and subscribe for more. And I'll see you guys again in another crypto video later today.